4 cuts, 4 different flavors, all unbelievable. Iberico pork, the best pork in the world. We got the Secreto, the butcher's secret, a 4-rib rack, incredible fat cap. We got Presa, rich and tender, and then we have the flank steak. We're gonna keep it simple tonight. The Secreto, we're seasoning it heavy with flaky sea salt. The 4-rib rack, a dusting of the pork boost for that sweet and the heat. The Presa's gonna get the beef boost, a bigger cut, needs bolder flavor. And then the flank steak, let's use the Texas boost, salt, pepper, garlic. But honestly, when the meat is this good, the fire and the meat does most of the work. We're gonna start with the Presa, needs a little bit more time, then the 4-rib rack, then let's throw on the Secreto, and let's finish it off with the flank steak. One grill, all at the same time. And this is what makes Iberico different, the fat. It protects the meat, it keeps it juicy, and it makes it very easy and forgiving to cook. This is not grocery store pork. The texture is softer, and the flavor is deeper. We're gonna flip it over a couple of times. The backyard just smells amazing right now. I'm gonna pull the pork at about 132 to 134 degrees and let it rest to around 138, 140. That's how you keep it juicy and slightly pink. Really important, you always need to cut against the grain, and this is how pork should look. When you start with exceptional meat, cooking becomes simple. It's the best pork in the world. You will not be disappointed.